Hey everybody, it's Devin with A&L Motor Sales. Today we're going to talk about gesture control in your BMW. There's a few things to keep in mind when using gesture controls. There's a sensor in the head unit above, so you have to have your hand above the gear selector to use the gesture functions. Gesture control allows you to control your phone, radio, and navigation. To get started, the first gesture would be to point at the screen and rotate your whole hand in a circular motion clockwise. That'll turn the radio up. If you rotate the other direction, counterclockwise, it'll turn the radio down. If you hold open your fingers and point at the screen, it'll mute the music. If you do it again, it'll unmute the music. Hold your thumb out and gesture to the left, and you can go back a song or back a station. If you hold your thumb out and gesture to the right, it'll skip a song or go to the next station. Now we're going to talk about navigation. If you hold your hand out and make a fist, open, close, open, it'll throw in your home address and already have it activated into navigation. Another cool feature with gesture control, to accept an incoming call, simply point at the screen. To decline a call, open your hand, point at the screen, and gesture to the right. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Make sure to check our Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more informative videos.